5 smart ways to start investing with $100 or less. Imagine this, you're 65, looking back on your life, and all you can think is, I wish I'd started investing earlier. Scary, right? But here's the thing, you don't need thousands to start. In fact, with just $100, you can set the foundation for a wealthy lifestyle. Today, I'm going to share 5 smart, practical ways to start investing, even if all you have right now is $100. Ready to make some smart money moves? Let's dive in. Start! Act 1. First investment option. Alright, first up, we've got a classic yet incredibly powerful way to get started. Index funds. Think of an index fund as a bundle of top-performing stocks, like buying a whole fruit basket instead of just one apple. They offer you the chance to own a small slice of big companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon without the price tag. Now, here's why index funds are brilliant. Over time, they usually outperform most individual stocks, and they're low risk. What's more, with platforms like Vanguard and Fidelity, you can start with just $100. Quick question to keep attention. And really, who doesn't want a piece of Apple and Google without spending thousands? Now, I know what you're thinking, index funds sound amazing, but is there something even more exciting I can start with? Well, you're in luck, because our next option is just that. Act 1. Second investment option. Let's talk about fractional shares. These are perfect if you've ever looked at the price of a single Tesla or Amazon stock and thought, yeah, maybe next lifetime. Fractional shares let you own a tiny piece of high-value stocks for just a few dollars. It's like owning a slice of the pie, rather than buying the whole thing. The beauty of fractional shares? You can diversify your investments across multiple companies, even with a small budget. Think of it like putting $25 each into 4 companies instead of betting it all on one. Pattern interrupt with humor. And really, who wouldn't want to say, I own Amazon at the next family gathering? Alright, that's 2 ways down, and I can already see your excitement building. But here's something few people talk about, a way to grow your money passively that might just surprise you. Let's dive into it. Act 2. Third investment option. Our third strategy, Robo-Advisors. Ever feel overwhelmed by the thought of picking stocks or keeping track of investments? With Robo-Advisors, you don't have to. These digital platforms handle the investing for you, choosing funds based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. With $100, you can open an account with companies like Betterment or Wealthfront. They diversify your investment, rebalance it, and handle all the tricky parts. Pattern interrupt with question. What's better than letting a robot do the work while you sip your coffee, right? Plus, robo-advisors aren't just about convenience. They're incredibly effective for those just getting started because they take the guesswork out of investing. So, you've seen a few smart, hands-off ways to invest $100. But what if you want more control and a chance to grow your money in real time? That's where our next strategy comes in. And it's a game changer. Act 2. Fourth investment option. Welcome to the world of peer-to-peer lending. Think of it as being the bank. You're lending your money to someone who needs it, and in return, you earn interest. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper allow you to lend out as little as $25 to individuals or small businesses. Over time, your earnings compound as borrowers repay with interest. Let that sink in for a moment. You're making your money work for you without any complex market analysis. Just remember, there is some risk. But hey, no risk, no reward, right? We're down to our final way to invest with just $100, and it might be the most exciting and rewarding yet. If you want something that's both fun and profitable, you're going to love this last option. Act 3. Fifth investment option. Lastly, we have real estate crowdfunding. Yes, real estate, even with $100. Platforms like Fundrise allow you to pool your money with others to invest in real estate projects. This gives you exposure to one of the most stable investment markets without the hefty upfront costs. Imagine this. You're part owner of a building generating rental income, all from a $100 investment. You're building a passive income stream, contributing to long-term growth, and becoming part of something tangible. Pattern interrupt. Seriously, what's cooler than being able to say you're a real estate investor before hitting 30? So, there you have it. 5 powerful ways to start investing with just $100. Remember, every dollar you invest today brings you one step closer to financial freedom. Which one are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below and let us know. And if you're hungry for more tips on how to make your money work for you, be sure to check out our next